I know that we are ants in a world of giants, so big that we are unable to see them. I know that snow is the dust that falls from the giant's floor when they jump, as they do in the winter. I know that when I say orange, you see green, and we both agree that we're seeing the same color. I know we share the space with other creatures that are invisible to the naked eye, but that we can glimpse into that world if we half close our eyes until we see little transparent particles floating in front of us. I know all of these things, or at least I used to know them when I was a kid. Some of these certainties faded as I grew up, but some still feel as true. I half close my eyes and I peek into another world as I see the floating particles. I feel myself sitting next to me in the train station and simultaneously walking back to the place I called home 4 years ago. All of this led me to experiment to try to see what else is beyond. I knew that the amount of light that enters through our eyes had something to do with it. It is light that produces the world we see. The light decides what remains unknown. I experimented and took photos with filters and lenses in the camera until those cells appeared, but I still couldn't see what I knew was there. I figured that it was through feeling that I sensed the other world. I thought that if I could somehow project feelings, the cells would take some form. When I started experimenting with words and sounds, feeble silhouettes appeared. I added text and images before taking the photo, and a full world emerged. That's when I made Homunculus, an app to show people this world that we share the space with. To be able to see, one has to understand the space and what is hidden, and use the correct words, the appropriate images or sound, and once these things are set, direct the camera at it. I set everything up at the Gladstone Hotel so you can see. When you get there, search for the images and text marked with this, Homunculus. There will be 5 markers around the hotel. Once you find one, direct the camera of your tablet at it. You'll be able to touch the objects on the screen. Some of them will react to your touch, and they will tell you something about that place. I'll tell you what else I know about this world after you've seen it with your own eyes.